When you hear civil engineering, what do you think about? Does the word sustainability come to mind? Because it should. Extreme weather events are disrupting the way we live. Sea levels are rising, which means our coastlines could go underwater. The world is changing rapidly, and that's raising a ton of questions about sustainability. Meanwhile, over half of the global population lives in urbanized areas. That number is only going to go up. So how are we going to develop our cities and keep our world in shape?
Civil engineering is working to solve these issues and more. Yeah, you heard me. Civil engineering. And when you join NUS, you won't just read about these problems. You are going to dig your hands into design projects, integrated projects, and industrial attachments. You will learn about greener construction processes, adapting current infrastructure for green technology, and creating nature-based solutions to mitigate climate change. The school also exposes you to technology at the forefront of the industry. Think robots, machine learning and AI programs, and computer modeling. Experiential learning at NUS means you will be part of the solution from day one.
Civil engineering is a broad discipline that can take you anywhere. And that's not an exaggeration. From awe-inspiring buildings to underground structures that support our daily lives, you are going to redesign the way we live, work, and thrive in our changing world. That's why NUS does more than teach you to be an engineer. It gives you the skills to be an engineer leader. NUS is recognized as a top university in civil engineering, with a stellar reputation among employers for training industry-ready graduates.
We are literally designing the future here, a climate-resilient future. So next time you think about civil engineering, think about a sustainable world and how you can change the game.
Hi, I'm Professor Pang Sze Dai. I'm going to share with you more on the Bachelor of Civil Engineering at NUS. Many companies in Singapore are actively seeking to hire civil engineers, with several of them being recognized as some of the best employers in the country. Notable examples include Wohab, one of the oldest and biggest construction firm, Changi Airport Group, CapitaLand, Obayashi Singapore, and Sentosa Development Corporation. In a highly developed country like Singapore, the work of civil engineers is far from over. In fact, the demand for their expertise is growing as they address the challenges of sustainable development. One pressing issue is the Pulau Semakau landfill, which is expected to reach the full capacity by 2035. And that's not far from now. Civil engineers play a crucial role in transforming local waste into valuable resources, helping to tackle this environmental challenge. The built environment is a major contributor to carbon emission, and civil engineers have a crucial role to play in reducing these emissions. By repurposing old buildings, reusing materials, and utilizing low-carbon alternatives, they can help drive more sustainable development. These strategies leverage the technical expertise of civil engineers to create environmentally responsible solutions. Rising sea level due to climate change have become an existential threat, and there is an urgent need for civil engineers to safeguard our coastlines against encroaching waters. Their expertise is vital in developing effective solutions to protect vulnerable areas and ensure long-term resilience. If you are inspired to pursue civil engineering and contribute to building a more sustainable and resilient environment, the next question is, where is the best place to study civil engineering? Without a doubt, the answer is the National University of Singapore, NUS. Consistently ranked among the top 5 in the world and number 1 in Asia, NUS offers the highest ranked civil engineering program in the region, a distinction it has held for several years. Our civil engineering graduates are consistently ranked the best in the world by employers for being the most competent, innovative, and effective. NUS attracts the top civil engineering students in Singapore. If you are interested in pursuing civil engineering at NUS, I highly encourage you to make it your first choice to showcase your strong interests. Doing so will improve your chances if you are being considered for discretionary admission, especially if your university admission scores fall slightly below the cutoff point. To graduate from the program, you will need to complete 160 units, which is equivalent to 40 regular courses. Out of these 40 courses, 10 are from the common curriculum, 20 belong to the major curriculum, and the remaining 10 are unrestricted electives. The major curriculum includes courses focused on the analysis and design of structures, geotechnical engineering, transportation systems, water resources, sustainability, as well as modeling and simulation. We offer a range of second majors, minors, and specialization that complement the civil engineering major, enhancing your expertise and broadening your academic experience. If you are interested in climate and sustainability, there is a second major in sustainable urban development, or you can consider a minor in environmental sustainability. If you are interested in digitization and automation, there is a specialization in digitization in urban infrastructure that is offered by our department. If you are interested in computing, we do have the second major and minor in computing, design and engineering. And if you are interested in project management and real estate, we have the minor in infrastructure, finance and management, which is highly popular among the civil engineering students. If you're interested in urban development, we have a minor in urban studies and also a minor in cities. If you're interested in engineering consultancy, there is a specialization in advanced analysis and design. And if you are interested in design and innovation, we do have two options, a second major and a minor in innovation and design. Civil engineers have always played a leading role in championing sustainable development. Our civil engineering graduates are at the forefront of driving sustainability. And if you aspire to be a future leader in this field, the civil engineering program is the ideal path for you. We are preparing our students to lead at the forefront of technology. With digitization and artificial intelligence transforming every sector, our students are equipped with the skills to drive industry change. The awards they have won stand as a testament to their capabilities and excellence. We attract the top civil engineering students and equip them with the expertise to excel in their field. Each year, the industry recognizes the best young consulting engineer through a prestigious award, and our graduates have consistently emerged as winners. This achievement reflects the rigorous training and the high standards we uphold in shaping future civil engineers. We provide not only top-tier training to build a strong foundation in civil engineering, but also a curriculum enriched with experiential learning that equips our graduates with 21st century skills. These skills enable them to adapt and excel across diverse industries. Our graduates have made their mark in fields such as entrepreneurship, engineering consultancy, banking and finance, property development, law, corporate strategy, chemicals, policy planning, business consultancy, and project management. Their success demonstrates the versatility and adaptability of our graduates, allowing them to thrive in a rapidly evolving global landscape. Our program is privileged to have strong support from numerous agencies and companies that generously donate scholarships and bursaries to benefit our civil engineering students. Our goal is to ensure that every deserving student has access to financial support. And I am proud to say that we have achieved this milestone. The vital role of civil engineering in nation building is exemplified by our alumnus, Kwa Chin Soon, who was awarded the prestigious Lee Kuan Yew Scholarship to pursue further studies overseas. His achievement reflects the excellence of our graduates and their commitment to contributing to Singapore's development, as he returns to BCA to play a greater role in shaping our built environment. I'm also pleased to share that all our new students who are admitted will receive an iPad for a truly experiential learning experience in NUS. And last year, we have offered one of the newest models for every student. And this year happens to be our 70th anniversary for our department. We do have numerous awards as part of this 70th anniversary celebration. We have the Stella Award, where students receive 4 years of undergraduate tuition fee coverage, and also various awards such as Excellence Award, Honours Award, and Merit Award with different levels of monetary awards. And on top of that, some of the top awards do qualify for a free master's program. So please scan the first QR code to find out more information about civil engineering program. And also please scan the second QR code to find out more about other CDE programs. I thank you for your attention. I welcome you and I hope to see you in our program.